What up, guys? It's your girl Arena. So it is July 17th. So Before You Exit came out with a new song. Sorry, the juxtaposition is so weird, having Jesus and Woody next to each other. But anyway, so Before You Exit came out with a new song that they've been working on for quite some time, but they came out with it just yesterday, and I was just hella tired to listen to it, and I always like doing these reaction videos. I don't know, it just makes me closer to the Exiters. Anyway, it's been a really crappy 2020, besides everything going on, outside the world, or outside in the world. The beginning of 2020, back in March, I lost my last grandparent, and I couldn't even visit him due to the pandemic. And then just last week, another family member, physically close to me. I don't like saying who, because it just gives me like bad vibes. I don't like saying specifically, but they were diagnosed with cancer, and thankfully it is, it's treatable, but cancer is cancer and it sucks. And me being someone who works as a nurse on the oncology unit, it sucks. Like, of course I've been kind of sensitized, and I'm used to helping other people, but when it hits close to home, it hella sucks. Also, I just, again, with the pandemic, I just haven't been focusing, and I might be pushing back again, applying to med school, even though I'm a nurse, and I've been a nurse for 2 years now. I'm still trying to be a doctor, and then like my hands are like so inflamed, man. Like, it's just like, besides getting going to the what is it called, dermatologist, as well as the immunologist, it's just like my job is like stressing me out, man. But anyway, let's listen to the song. Alright, fam, so I'm about to like lay down because it's like midnight, and I took a shower, but your girl did her face just because this is a video. But anyway, let me just play this right quick. First time listening to it. Kind of reminds me of Beatles. Just guess it makes me sad just because of everything that's going on, especially with my family. It's kind of like crazy how we just went from like a Beatles vibe to like, I'm trying to figure out what kind of band I'm thinking about. Just been sad, man. It's crazy how it's like, it has like sad vibes, but like it's so positively uplifting. You know, like they've, Before You Exit has like so many phases, like so many like different like musical genre phases, and that's okay. Just kind of thinking about my family member, man.
Just for once we could try to be one. We're all under the same sun.
Well, that's made me cry. Just made me super sad. I never cried to a Before You Exit song like that. But again, it's just like with so much crap going on in the world and your personal life, like it's, you know, your personal life, you just have crap going on as well, and you just have to wake up and, you know, go to work and pretend it's okay when it's not. Especially like in my position where like this family member, like they've been a nurse, like, you know, for so many years, and they're about to retire as well. And, you know, she actually used to work on an oncology unit. It's like when you love someone so much and then they have to go through something. Like, I wish I could just take that pain for her. But anyway. That's the song for you, Same Sun by Before You Exit. It's, again, it just is very appropriate to the time being, and I know they've been writing it. They've had this project, the song, for what, I think they said like a year or what have you. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, it's so gross. But yeah, it's just, it's really real when music actually, you know, has an effect on you, makes you feel, I'm sorry, like my nose is like freaking like glistening with snob. It's not cute. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing amazing. Remember, God's love for you is infinite. You could pray for my family, and just pray for, you know, everyone around you. That would be amazing.